We are the health champions.
We are here to talk to you about
How important annual health checks are to people with a learning disability.
Want to improve the health of people with learning disabilities.
To reduce health inequalities.
Let us tell you why.
Benefits for people with learning disabilities.
When you're happy, you can be happy. Go to work, meet friends, go shopping, and do activities. When you're happy, it's time to have good mental health. Regular health check will prevent people from learning difficulties dying sooner than other people. It helps to create an help acrobat so you can ask questions.
Barriers and consequences of not having an annual health check. When you are unwell, you feel sad and unhappy. You have aches and pains, feel depressed, grumpy. You can have mood changes and don't sleep well. We can't do all the things we would like to do. We may have mood swings, cry and be sad, become quiet, hurt ourselves, stop eating and drinking. None of this is good.
A reasonable adjustment that can be made to help us.
Reasonable adjustments are small changes that help people with learning disabilities to be treated equally. These are some reasonable adjustments. Doctors and nurses should speak clearly and use simple words we understand. Give us easy read information instead of complicated documents. Allow double time or more time for appointments. Provide a quiet place or a quiet room for us to wait. Make sure the appointment runs on time. Allow family or support workers to attend with you. Assign a person with a learning disability liaison nurse. This is important to us.
Mental Capacity Law.
The Mental Capacity Act is designed to protect and empower people who may lack the mental capacity to make their own decisions about their care and treatment.
Before you carry out the health treatment, check if the person understands the information that you are giving them to them. Where possible, give out easy read information.
Health passports.
A health passport shows important information about the person. It's important in case information isn't passed on from GP to hospital. It helps avoid misunderstandings. We have peace of mind knowing that our information is on there without having to remember it on the day.
GP practicing. Receive under £40 per patient per year until the health checks. We bill the 26. It's getting worse. For the health problems earlier have been closed later. Thank you for watching everything.
I hope this has shown you how important annual health checks are to us.
They can help our lives, but also your lives.
You like the picture?